Welcome to Jetbuilt. Today we're going to take a look at saving you time through duplicating and deactivating various things. Let's say you need to estimate a project that's very similar to one you just completed. You can open up that old project, go to Project Details, click Duplicate. Now you see your newly duplicated project on top of your project list. You can open that up, and now you can assign that to a new client with this button here. Change Client. Type in an existing or a new client name. And now we've reassigned that project to a new client, and we can make further changes to the project. Of course, we can give it a new name. We can scroll down and drag a new photo in of the project. Give it a new address, things of that nature. So now you can go into the builder, edit the project, its rooms, systems, line items, and create the correct project for your new client. If you need to design a new room that's very similar to one already put together, duplicate that room. It'll create a copy of it at the bottom of your list. This is perfect for multiple classrooms in a school or all sorts of things. In this case, we're going to rename a living room system into a backyard system, a very fancy backyard system. Now I'll show you how to go a step further and create variations of that backyard system. We're going to rename this Backyard Option 1. And I'll click on the Edit button again. I'll duplicate it one more time. And then we come back in, and we'll call this Backyard Option 2. And we'll change the scope to mention that this is the reduced backyard system. And now we can delete some of the items to make this a scaled down system. And now we're still holding both systems, so let's come into the option 1 and deactivate that room. It now appears in this newly created inactive rooms and systems area. Let's deactivate our bathroom, as they've decided not to include that in the project, and we can see that down here as well. We can deactivate systems as well. The client decided not to do any video system, so we'll deactivate it. No need to delete it in case they change their mind in the future. So now we can come into a deactivated room and reactivate it. So we reactivate our option 1 and deactivate our option 2. Now we can come into project details, and where it says version number, we can call this our gold package. We can update that, and when we go to a report and generate a new report, we'll see that this is our gold package system indicated on the front of the proposal, and then you can come back and deactivate things, reactivate things, and call it the bronze package, if you will. So that is just a glimpse of the power of duplicating and deactivating rooms and systems. Thank you for using Jetbuilt.